Hi guys, since malapit ang pasukan, here's a quick school and heat-friendly makeup tutorial. Start off with lip prep and I'm using this e.l.f. lip oil. Then for primer, I suggest using this e.l.f. Power Grip Primer para hindi matanggal yung makeup nyo throughout the day. Also, here's a trick I've learned. If hindi masyadong kumakapit yung makeup nyo sa T-zone area nyo, specifically sa nose, you grab a beauty blender and then you spray it with a fixing spray. Spray on the beauty blender and you tap it on your nose a few times. This way, hindi matatanggal yung makeup nyo kahit naka-glasses kayo. This is especially helpful if you have oily skin like me. And since sobrang init at humid sa Philippines, I suggest just using a concealer, specifically a high coverage one like this Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Eraser, para lang mataklawan yung mga acne scars nyo, dark spots, and anything else you want to conceal. You really want to be minimal with your concealer. If you have a concealer that's a lot lighter than you want to avoid putting it on your dark circles because it's gonna highlight it even more. So nilalagay ko lang siya on the sides of my nose, the bridge of my nose, a little bit on my forehead, a little bit on the chin, and any parts of my face that have acne scars and dark spots. For your dark circle, use a color corrector instead of a concealer because this will really neutralize or cover up the darkness under your eyes. The one that I'm using is from LA Girl. It's a peach color corrector. Perfect if you have some grayness in your face. When blending my color corrector, I like to use a little finger puff so that I can really get into the creases. See how that immediately brighten up my under eyes. For my brows, I will be using this NYX Precision Brow Pencil. Just going to outline how I want my eyebrows to be shaped. If you have oily skin and use an eyebrow pencil like I did, most likely madali matanggal yung kilay nyo, so I recommend using a brow glue like this one from NYX para ma-lock and hold talaga yung kilay nyo throughout the day. Medyo maikli yung brow tail ko, so mas fino-focus ko yung paglagay sa area na to. And then I'm gonna be carving out my brows using this Fit Milane Maybe Concealer and a small little brush. Now I'm going to be setting my face with this e.l.f. HD Blurring Powder. Using this powder puff, I'm going to be grabbing some powder and then patting it on my hands until it's evenly applied on the powder puff. And saka ko siya ilalagay under my eye. What I like about this powder is that sobrang matte niya. Nakaka-blur talaga siya ng skin. So kahit oily skin ka like me, hindi ka magmumukhang shiny throughout the day. See how smooth that made my skin. I'm gonna be using this Maybelline Fit Me powder in the shade Pink Rose. Brush from Arty Cosmetics. I'm just gonna put a little bit